You have thousands of online connections. Yet, when life hits hard, who can you really call? If the answer feels painfully small, you're not alone. Welcome to the Friendship Recession, a silent epidemic that's quietly reshaping our lives and stealing our joy. But here's the good news, it's not irreversible. Today, I'll show you not just why it's happening, but how you can rebuild a vibrant, powerful circle of real friends, starting today. Let's get real. Part 1. What is the Friendship Recession, and why it's killing more than we think? Since 1990, the number of people reporting zero close friendships has quadrupled. This isn't just about loneliness. It's about your health, your career resilience, your emotional stability. Research shows that lacking strong social ties can be as harmful to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. 15. Connection isn't a nice to have, it's a basic human need. Without it, we wither. Part 2. What's causing this crisis? Here's the truth. We're working longer but living lonelier. We're hyperconnected digitally but starved for real emotional intimacy. We're scared of looking needy, so we settle for casual acquaintances instead of soul-level friendships. And with every, maybe next week, let's catch up soon, we let the friendships that once anchored us drift away. Part 3. How to break free, simple, proven action steps. Friendship at 30, 40, 50 plus doesn't happen by chance. It happens by choice. Here's how you can start reclaiming real connection, today. 1. Be radically proactive. Waiting for others to reach out is a recipe for loneliness. Send the first message. Start simple. Hey, I thought of you today. Hope you're doing great. Most people are longing for someone to open that door. 2. Build micro-rituals. Great friendships are not built on grand gestures, but on tiny rituals. A standing Thursday coffee. A monthly walk and vent call. Make it predictable. Make it sacred. 3. Upgrade your conversations. Surface-level chat keeps relationships shallow. Try this tonight. Instead of, how's work, ask, what's been giving you life lately? Deeper questions create deeper bonds. 4. Join third spaces. Online is easy. Offline is where real friendships are forged. Join local groups, hobby circles, community events. Go where people are already gathering with intention. 5. Prune with kindness. Not every friendship deserves to be resurrected. Prioritize relationships that energize you. Let go of the ones that quietly drain your spirit. A richer, more meaningful life isn't built on achievements alone. It's built on handshakes, shared laughter, awkward first conversations, and countless tiny moments of showing up. And you, yes, you, have the power to start weaving that life right now. If anything I said today struck a chord, don't let this moment slip away. Right now, send one text. Not tomorrow, not when you have more time. Today. Hey, I was thinking about you. How are you? Reconnect. Rebuild. Reclaim your life. Subscribe for more real talks on building the life you deserve.